So we are loading metal. It's basically stuff for motorways. All these pallets, all these sheets. It's a nice easy one this morning, but it was a very early start. I started about 3 o'clock. 3 hours drive. We're now loading. After here in Germany, we go straight back to Holland. So, and it's the last full day for me, which means today I work and I sleep in the truck, then tomorrow I go home. Yes, can't wait to get home. Got a few things planned as well, so watch this space. Nice. And then we got one more to go here. And then we can strap everything.